My name is Solomon. So today we're going to look at application of data analysis. Data analysis is very, very hot now, generally in every company. So we're going to look at some of the industries that these things is being data analysis is being used. So one of them is in finances. I'm going to explain them gradually. So the second one is in banking. The other one is cybersecurity. The other one is agriculture, engineering, accounting, banking, education, manufacturing, transportation. So I just listed 10 different industries that data analysis is employed. Now let's look at finance now. The first one is in finance. Now, data analysis aid in assessing risk. Before you invest into any financial venture or put money anywhere, you want to understand the market first. And information about the market is usually gotten from market trend, which is generated from what I call historic data. You understand? So this data generated will influence whether you invest or will influence your financial decision. You understand? So we have forex market, you have cryptocurrency market, we have stock market, and so many other other markets like gold and so many other stuff. So for you to invest, you have to make decision based on the data you have analyzed. Okay. The second one is banking. So bankers or banking sector, there's a very high usage of data analysis in trying to detect frauds from people call it fraud detection, then customer segmentation, and also personalized banking. So these are the various, not just this is not limited to ladies, other areas that is being applied in banking sector, but one of the major one is fraud detection through the kind of traffics and financial transactions a particular individual makes can be used to judge if the individual is embarking on frauds. You understand? So you also have customer segmentation. So you can segment customers based on different patronage and what they typify. Okay. Then personalized banking service is done based on data analysis. Okay. Then the third one is cybersecurity. So this app, most of the traffic generated by interaction with the internet, those traffic, some of them are malicious and some of them are they are not malicious. So identifying those kind of patterns in the data, in data set, apps where cybersecurity analysts or engineers to be able to know if it is malicious based on the pattern of that traffic. Okay. So the other one is agriculture. So we have what's called precision farming. There's what is called predictive crop modeling and yield optimization. So these are based on data analysis, get data gathered. You understand? So then let's look at the other ones like engineering. So we have a whole lot of application of data analysis in engineering, design optimization, performance monitoring, and predictive maintenance. Very, very important. So in manufacturing of devices and machines, so we have what is called predictive maintenance and corrective maintenance. So but in predictive maintenance there are signs that we show that you can predict that this vehicle or this engine or this machine needs maintenance. So that's called predictive maintenance, and this is as a result of data analysis. So number 6 in accounting, of course about auditing process and all the stuff, they are based on data analysis. Then the 7th one in education, this could help in learning management system and also tracking student performance. So it's used heavily in areas of education. Then manufacturing, I've talked about engineering, it's quite related to engineering, but manufacturing could we can streamline it to only manufacturing in this case now. So not just in maintenance but in manufacturing. So in this case now we're talking about how do we optimize our process. You understand? This is basically based on data. And in optimization, we're talking about efficiency, and we're also talking about cost reduction. You understand? So these are some of the ways it's used in manufacturing. Then transportation. So the route to during flight, and and road transports like that. So then forecasting is also there. Management of fleets is there. So, and we know that most of those companies now, like Uber, all those Uber, they use that also, like all those online booking for transportation.